Hello students, welcome again in our online study class. In the last video, we have already started the second lesson, Europe and India. And in this lesson, we learn about the period of Renaissance, means the period of rebirth. And we learn about the discoveries laid the foundation of the modern era. In it, we learn Reformation, religious reform movements and geographical discoveries. Later on we learn about the man became the center point of all ideologies and Leonardo da Vinci all-round personality and his famous paintings, the Mona Lisa and the Last Supper became immortal, right? And now the reform movement spread throughout all sector of human life. Reform movements means a religious movement of the 16th century in Europe, and it spread throughout all sector of human life, though through knowledge, science as well as different section of art. These reform movements spread through the different ways like knowledge, science as well as different section of art. We can observe the discoveries of reform movements, and later on we can observe some of the discoveries of reform movement. And reform movements means a religious movement of 16th century in Europe. Now the art and literature of Renaissance period depict sentiments and emotion of human being, and in this period, in the period from 13th to 16th, middle of the 17th century, in this the literature produced, it shows or it depicts the sentiments and emotion of human being, and it also shows the emotions, and it also depicts the real life picture of the common people. Literature was produced in local language, and in this period, in the period of Renaissance, the literature was produced in the local language, and it was helpful for the common people for the better understanding of the religious concepts and about the concept of religion. It was for better knowledge to common people. And one more thing happened in this period. In the year 1450 AD in Germany, Johannes Gutenberg from Germany discovered the printing press, and because of the discovery of this printing press, due to this discovery, new ideas, concepts and knowledge reached to all the section of society. In this year, Johannes Gutenberg from Germany discovered the printing press, and because of this printing press, the ideas of the religious movements or the concept and knowledge and all the section of society, that knowledge reached. It is the discovery of printing press, right, in Germany. Now religious reform movement in the period of Renaissance in Europe. The independent intellectual means a person who uses the mind creatively, and in this period the new attacked the old religious ideology of Roman Catholic Church, and the literature which produced that creates an intellectual attack, or the individual persons or writers, they were trying to attack, or we can say they are trying to make the new concept against the religious ideologies of Roman Catholic Church. And in this period, in the period of Renaissance, the Christian priests were taking advantage of the ignorance of the common people, or we can say advantage of the ignorance of the people, and were indulged in unnecessary rituals. Indulge, we can say give satisfaction to, give satisfaction to, or they were trying to show that they have the knowledge only to or about the religion and these religious ideologies of Roman Catholic Church, the Christian priest, when taking advantage of the illiteracy or ignorance of the common people. Ignorance of the common people in unnecessary rituals. Rituals means, we can say, rituals means the prescribed procedure of conducting religious ceremony. Prescribed procedure of conducting religious ceremony, that is rituals. They looted the people in the name of religion. This Christian priest in the period of Renaissance, means from 13th to 16th century, they looted the people in the name of religion. The movement that began against it is known as religious reform movement. Religious reform movement that began against the Christian priests because they were taking the advantage of the ignorance of the common people. They looted the people in the name of religion, and in this period the independent intellectual literature came into existence, and the new movement, the movement that began against them, is known as religious reform movement. And due to this movement, human freedom and rationalism gained more importance. Rationalism get more important, and because of this, rationalism means the doctrine that knowledge is acquired by reason without resort the experience, that is rationalism. And in this period, due to this movement, due to the religious reform movements, this rationalism, freedom and rationalism gain more importance. Again, I will repeat what is rationalism means. The doctrine that knowledge is acquired by reason without resort to experience, it is rationalism. Now next, geographical discoveries. Geographical discoveries, we learn about the one discovery of printing press in the year 1450. Now geographical discoveries, in 1453 AD, the Ottoman Turks conquered Constantinople, Istanbul, which was the capital of Byzantine Empire. Geographical discoveries in the year 1453 AD, Ottoman Turks conquered means victory. They won the area of the Constantinople in Istanbul, which was the capital of Byzantine Empire. Byzantine Empire, it was the capital of the Byzantine Empire, Constantinople in Istanbul, and they overland trade routes joining Asia and Europe went through this city. And this was the very important discovery in this period, because the Ottoman Turks, they conquered the Constantinople, and it was the capital of Byzantine's empire. And the overland trade route joining to Asia and Europe, it crosses or it passes through this Constantinople, but the Ottoman Turks, they conquered it. Since the Turks blocked this route, and they conquered it and they blocked this route, they never allowed to the traders to go through this route, Asia and Europe. Since the Turks blocked this route, there was a need of finding alternative trade route for the European countries to reach Asia. This led to a new phase of geographical discoveries. And because of these Turks, because of the Turkey people, they blocked the way to go from Europe to Asia. Because of this, the European peoples needs the alternative or another way to reach at Asia, and for that only they need this led to a new phase of geographical discoveries because of these Ottoman Turks, and they blocked the trade route from Europe to Asia, and this for the European countries to reach Asia, this led to a new phase of geographical discoveries.